Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. I hope the week's going well. Currency markets, euro dollar 111.99, dollar index 97.48, Japanese yen 110.05, and it broke 110 earlier. Swiss franc is at 101.76. The pound 130.35. After that storming run higher on Friday, it's given up the ghost. The Australian dollar, about which I remain resolutely bearish, 0.7010. India rupee 69.5555. South Korean won 1169.35. The real touched 4, but is at last at 397. Egyptian pound 17.1306. And the South African rand 14.3718. This is a chart of the dollar index. I remain bullish. Euro dollar, I continue to think we're going to break down below 110. Hackers have stolen $40 million worth of Bitcoin from Binance. Large-scale security breach, variety of techniques, including phishing and viruses. Company will use its secure asset fund for use as an emergency insurance fund to cover the incident in full. So they've handled that well, and that's good to hear. That'll probably make them more popular amongst Bitcoin traders. Bitcoin, of course, has flown off the charts more than 50% this year. Commodity markets, gold last at 1287.94. Tea commodity, whose chart you're seeing here, is getting bullish. Crude oil, his chart again, $61.25. Emerging markets, again, when I was writing about the China-America tariff war in October last year, I said I'm keen to buy the China emerging market negative feedback contagion loop. And you see that in this tweet from JS Blockland, the MSCI Emerging Markets Futures down almost 5% during the last 2 trading days. And as Mrs. Thatcher famously said, you cannot buck the markets. This is the Turkish opposition deputy chairman, says it is legal to run against Erdogan's AKP, but illegal to win against them. Turkey has sunk below Russia to become the cheapest emerging market on a price-earnings ratio. This is from Srini Sivabalan. I wrote about Turkey severally. That one of the times was in August last year when I said cold Turkey, and I described Erdogan as a Shakespearean figure. He has slayed enemies, real and not real. His chest has been puffed up with pride. He even rescued the Emir of Qatar. But he has now met his match, that match being the markets.